In this video, we will talk about project dependencies and how they can be used in Code Composer Studio. In some cases, you may have a need for a main project to be dependent on other projects. A common use case for this is when a main project links in a library and the project for the library is set up as a referenced project. The idea here is that when you build the main project, you would like the referenced project to be built first and then the main project. Project dependencies can be set up either when creating a new CCS project or for an existing project by going into the project properties. The only requirement to create a dependency is that all referenced projects must first be in the same workspace as the main project. So I have over here is an example to show you two projects open in my workspace. Interrupts is the main project, and we want this project to be dependent on driver lib. So to create a dependency, just right click on the project, go to properties, select build, and click on the dependencies tab. Now you can click on add and then choose the project that you want to add to the list of references. All the projects that are open in your workspace will be displayed over here. In this case, since driver lib is the only project, and that is the one that we want to set up as a dependent project, we'll go ahead and select that and click OK. Now here you have something called the referenced build configuration. Basically what this column lets you do is it allows you to choose which build configuration to use when building the referenced project. So for example, you can select one of the default build configurations, debug or release, or you can select active, which then basically will build whichever build configuration is active at that point in time. So with this setting, you can control which build configuration of the referenced project will be built before the main project is built. So we're going to click OK here. So now when I build this project, you can see in the build console that the driver lib project gets built first, and then when that build completes, then the main project interrupts will be built. So I will go ahead and start the build here. You can see here that driver lib is the project that's first getting built, and this build could take a while, but just take my word for it that basically right now the driver lib project is being built, and when this completes, then it will start building the interrupts project. So for now I'm going to just cancel this build, and hopefully this video was helpful in understanding how to create